Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to debone a rotisserie chicken, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about this channel. It's called the Budget Hustle Project. We're all feeling the pinch. Inflation's high, costs are high, so we're all trying to save a little bit where we can. Rotisserie chickens are definitely one of those meals people make good use out of. So I'm just going to quickly debone this as we chat. What to expect on the channel: there's going to be cooking items, there's going to be some side hustles I work on, there's going to be anything that really saves $1, and because again we can all use it. It's a faceless channel. You're not going to see my face because really we could be anyone. We're all in this situation. So as you see here, I debone a chicken by hand. Use the knife a little bit. Easiest way to debone this chicken is while it's still warm. So I picked this up about a half hour ago. I save everything, including the skin. The skin I'll put aside, and I'll probably soak that in a little bit of water to make some gravy for another meal. This chicken right now being deboned, it'll be used in a couple other videos, or a few other videos, where I plan to stretch this out and see how many meals we can make. There's a family of 3 here, and we'll see how we can get along with this. So it's fairly straightforward to debone the chicken. I take the skin off, take the breast meat off. Again, the temperature is good right now, so I can do it easily by hand. If you bring it right from the store, it's pretty hot. At the end, once this is done, I do save the bones, and I'll boil it and make like a soup stock. So part of cooking, you can't mind getting your hands a little dirty, a little greasy, but these are sold as a 2-pound chicken. I've never weighed it. Do I get 2 pounds of meat? Probably not. It's probably a pre-cooked 2-pound, but you do get a pretty good amount of meat off of them. Like for us, we portion control here. As much as you'd like to fill up on meat, you don't really need to. So a small portion is ample, especially when you have your vegetables and starch or something else with the meal. So I like to tinker with different flavors, and frequent trips to the store to buy different spices and seasonings. There we go. We got some more meat here. Pull the bone out. There. You saw right quick was a chicken being deboned. So pretty quick process. Not sure the video length, but probably under 3 minutes. What can you expect to see later on in the channel? Well, tomorrow night's meal is going to involve this chicken, and I do need to make a sauce for it. So the next video, we'll be making a sauce. I encourage people to like the video, subscribe, hit the notification button. That way you can see my future videos. This is my first video, so I'm not sure how much reach it's going to get out there, or if it's going to notify anybody. So anybody that does comment, like, subscribe, it certainly will help the channel grow. Thank you for your time. See you at the next video.